Welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by the Orchid Supply Store, where you can get everything that you need for your orchids in addition to orchids. So if you want to get 12% off your next order, use the coupon code TRISH at checkout, and there you are, 12% off your entire order, and they ship for free, regardless of whether you get one orchid or 20 orchids and supplies. Doesn't matter, free shipping. There are a few exceptions, so make sure you read the shipping policy, but in general, it's free. I know what this is, so I was perusing the Orchid Supply website and the orchids, and I came across the LC Aussie Sunset Cosmic Fire crossed with LC Spring Fire Lynette. So I reached out to Ken. I said, how far is she from blooming? Next thing I know, I'm told I have something coming my way, and here we are. So we're going to unbox her together, and I can tell you that whatever they ship is greatly packaged. Look at this. So she is inside of a plastic with the styrofoam to help protect with the air pockets. Now, I did receive her yesterday, which was Friday the 21st. I have opened the box and I've just let her sit so that she can acclimate to my home. And now we're going to see what she looks like inside. So I did grab this little bowl to put the styrofoam in because my fan is on and I don't want it blowing everywhere with the little babies running around down underneath my footses. So let's see what we know what we've got. Let's see what she looks like. So let me just take her out gently. See if we can keep most of this in the box. There we go. Wrapped with shredded newspapers, and they do water their plants before they ship. We have a bamboo skewer here, a real bamboo, by the way, and I did not bring scissors. Boy, oh boy, let me see. Hold on. Alrighty, got me a big shiny box cutter, so let's be very diligent and careful on where we cut. You know what? Let's cut the bottom first so that I can work my way up into where the tape is and then protect anything that might be on the inside. So she is in bark, looks like. We'll get a better look here in just, there we go. So we've got that. Open. So, has anyone bought orchids from Orchid Supply? And Ken did say he did put a heat pack in here for me, as I am getting that winky weather here in Colorado where it's temperatures down in the 40s at night and then up into the mid to low 70s during the day. Let me just grab these peanuts here. Alrighty. Now, let's get all the papers off and see what we've got in here. Oh, look at those beautiful roots. All right, it looks like the shipping, because I know my postman threw it on my porch. I saw him when he did it. Was not too happy about that, but that doesn't matter. There she is, guys. Look how gorgeous. And I may have to take her out of the pot and put her back in because it looks like they shook it up enough where it was coming out. But look at that. Look at those beautiful new root tips growing. Oh my goodness. You know what? Since I'm going to do that anyway, let's just take her out real quick because I'm just going to pot her back up into whatever's in this pot now. I'm not going to change her media or anything, but let me pull the tag out so I can show her to you. There. Hopefully that's in focus. It looks in focus on my side. And just real quick, get her back secure in her pot. There we go. Put a little bit of bark down here at the bottom. And then, so if you have an orchid that you get in and it ends up getting loosened during transit, you can just take it out of its pot. Let me move this over so you can see. Take it out of its pot and just reuse the same media that it was in to get her back and secure. This way, you're not really disturbing her, but you're allowing her to have that security that she needs to be steady. And it does look like it was grown on from seedling. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. And I'm going to try to get that root, because it's got that root tip, to grow down into the media. And then this way we can extend her root system. What is the weather like where you guys are? Because we are predicted to get snow on Sunday the 23rd. I don't know when this video is going to go up, so that's why I'm giving you guys the dates. It is now the 22nd, which is Saturday. The way the weather looks outside, it doesn't even look like it's going to snow. Supposed to snow tomorrow. Let me just leave that there like that. It's going to try to get up under that seedling growth, but I'm not going to force anything. I'm just putting this right back in. Like I said, same media, and the media is damp. It's not wet, it's damp. I don't have to water her right now or anything, which a lot of times we do have to give them a nice little flushing of water when they first arrive, because they've dried out. So all of the roots that we saw have growing tips on them, so I'm trying to encourage those roots to go into the media, so I am covering them up with media. So now she's much happier now. See how she's not quite as wobbly as she was when we first looked at her? Isn't that just look? And you can see the roots right here, so we can monitor that. Large bark in there with nice air pockets. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So excited to see her in bloom. So I will post a picture off of the Orchid website and show you her blooms. They are gorgeous. They're like an orange with hints of pink in them, and they're the floofy Cattleya. Oh, I can't wait for her to bloom. Go to the Orchid Supply Store website. Use coupon code TRISH at checkout, and you get your 12% off. And remember, free shipping. Everybody have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next one.